Hey guys, this is Mike. I hope you're all well, enjoying your day. Now, do you remember this snare that I destroyed? You probably won't remember it because I did it as a celebration of having 10 subscribers. It's a very old snare. Here you can see I have put it on fire. Then I start to throw it around, and let's see. Yeah, I was acting like a maniac. Yeah, so there you go. The skin is gone, the spring is gone, and it ended up looking like this. Okay, you're not gonna believe how it looks now. Hey guys, this is Mike. Do you remember this snare? Do you remember how I destroyed it? Well, this is how it's done by this guy. He just resurrected it. We've got the drum heads here. We're gonna install them and new spring. And if everything goes to plan, this will be ready pretty soon. Guys, we just realized we're one screw short. What the hell are we gonna do, Nicole?
We're gonna find another one. Add.
Okay, guys, the snare has been resurrected thanks to Kostas. Show the snare, please. Who is doing that noise? Is that Kostas? Is that the new didgeridoo, is it? Όχι, τράβα τον. Τράβα τον. Okay, let's try out our new snare. Wow, piccolo sound, very nice.
Very nice.
Nice.